We are in VirtualBox 6 and I'm going to show you how to enable the shared clipboard. Now the shared clipboard is not where you would right click on a file and choose copy and go to your desktop and choose paste. It doesn't work that way. That is used for drag and drop. So you can enable drag and drop by going to devices, drag and drop, and choose bidirectional. Shared clipboard is just for text. So we're going to make sure that this shared clipboard is set to bidirectional as well, and we'll copy and paste that over. So I've got my test file. I'll double click on it and you see this is a test. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a notepad onto my virtual machine just to show how this works. So I'm going to right click and choose copy, and I'm going to right click and choose paste. So the clipboard works just fine, but if you want to actually move a file from one location to another, then you have to enable drag and drop, and then you can drag the file and copy it over. And that's how that works. Now, before any of this stuff is going to work, you've got to go to Devices, go to Insert Guest Editions CD Image, and you've got to install the guest editions. So once that's installed, you can double click on the CD and choose the third executable from the bottom and run through all the defaults and install the guest editions, restart, and then your drag and drop as well as your shared clipboard will work. I've already installed it on here, obviously, otherwise it would not have worked. And if you want to watch installing guest editions in more detail, there is a guest editions video in this playlist.